Anup and Chandan. Our topic is music player web application. We are working under the guidance of Akshata Ma'am, Assistant Department of the AI. As Assistant Professor, Department of Media, Rajamilidan. As coming to the presentation, abstract introduction, problem statement, objectives, methodology, and software and hardware requirements. Now I am going to explain the abstract. We have named the web page as a AO Music. AO Music is an online music player which allows user can stream and play the song directly from the web using the internet connection. We develop web using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, which helps to create the web page design, style, front end, and database to store the songs data. This web focus on aesthetic and attractive design, fast loading, and user friendly without storing any data locally. This project shows how front end and back end work together to give a users friendly and a smooth experience in the content. Now I am handling the project to the Kirtana. Say loudly. Good.
Let's start with the introduction. Music streaming is now a key part of a modern web application. Traditional music players requires the users to download the songs first, which have a limited accessibility. To overcome from these issues, our project is the AO Music provides a platform and online player that allows the users to stream the songs directly from the web servers without downloading. The project shows how the web technologies can be used to build an interactive, user-friendly and visually attractive music interface. Many people are not happy with the current music playing apps because they have a limit, because they have a lack of modern features. To solve this problem, AO Music is developed. AO Music. To solve this problem,
PPT ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಾ
to solve this problem, AO Music is developed to design the music in a better and easier way. And most of the many music player apps requires the users to download the songs.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಹೊರಗಾಗ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ
Most music player apps requires the users needs the installations or the use of local storage, which keeps the memory and limit access. So the web-based music player is needed for the user to stream the songs directly from the online without downloading.
As I told, our music app is AO Music, music website is AO Music. So, main objectives that we are including in this website is that we are like, this is not an, this is separate from the rest of the websites. Like when we open an e-commerce app like Amazon, so there will be like the first thing we see is big discount signs and all. So that grabs the attention of the customers. But when it comes to music player web apps or music player platforms, the main thing that is catching for the audience is that the interface, the design. So that's what we are focusing mainly on, and we are mainly focusing on some basic features like play, pause, skip, volume, shuffle, and all. We are also trying to add some new features, like there is a web app called audio mat. It allows the users to build can create their own music. Like I can shuffle two musics and listen to them at once. So that type of features are also including, and they're also allowing cross-platform accessibility, because most users use different types of browsers in different platforms. So using HTML, CSS, and these all the web technologies, we are developing this website to use it in whatever the platform the user has. And we are and this project demonstrates that front end and back end are used in the most precise and best way to ensure the users attraction and users demands. And then sorry, can I open it?
First
So, this one, this beautiful we have included a flowchart about how our project works, like from the host side, how we start the project and how we end the project. So first we have now discussed about PPT with you all, like how are we designing this project. First we will we have identified the problems of the society or of the users. What are the major problems that everyone faces using their apps that are currently using web? And then we will design
This is the general architecture, right? Just to start identifying requirements, design system, design upload, front end, back end. It is a general one. Where is your project methodology?
what are the really new about that flowchart regarding the features here. They said that we need to do the flowchart that how actually next thing.
Then tell me what is that front end development? How you are developed your front end development?
Front end
Hey! Huh.
we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to develop front end. Like first when a user clicks the website, so the first thing that they see and first some things that they use, that's what the front end does. We use HTML, CSS to design and structure our web page, and we use JavaScript to add some more interactivity, and we also use PHP to.
I need that structure, not this one. How your website is looking now. So I need that structure of your project. Methodology means this is general one. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Problem identify ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, requirements ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, design ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. If design is approved, then go to the front end, and otherwise read test, gather feedback. This is the common. ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Can anyone please explain how is front end is designed? Because this is web ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು HTML CSS ಮೇಲೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಎನಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬೇಡ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇಸ್
Starting page.
ಹಾಂ,
The starting page must be as per the sign up process, and then the search bar, all the profiles, playlists, the libraries, genres.
Manap, I have a question. Is there necessary to add sign up and profile for the music app or a music website? Why?
Because if a user wants to upload his or her own files so that they can listen, so so we need to store those in like database. So for those purposes, I have to store the user's data.
What is the advantage for profile data in music apps?
To store which user is using what one, so
Wait, you can tell me. Not alone. You. ಪಾಟಿಂದ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡಿಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈಲಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ, ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
Then we will develop the back end of the project now. So we are using SQL.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Hi, I am Chandan from AI Management. So now I am explaining about the software requirements which we are used to develop our basic application. Firstly, I talk about operating systems which are used. Will operates in both Windows and Mac OS and Linux. For iOS users, it will be operating in Mac OS, and for Android users and PCs, it will be operating in Windows. And next, we are going to the technologies that we have used to build our web application. Is first we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. HTML for basic structure and basic structure. CSS for designing our background and styling to look the user to attract from our web application, and JavaScript for interconnectivity, and PHP for server adding, and we use the code editor called VS Code because it will support all the codes, and for smooth experience we use VS Code. And the browser, our web application is not any browser dependent. It will be available in all browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. And then I talk about the hardware requirements which we have used. The first one is processor to process data and to run any course, minimum it requires Intel iQ and above, and then RAM should be minimum 4 GB for smooth experience, and the storage of our web application is minimum 500 MB for development, and internet connection with both Wi-Fi and online streaming without downloading.
ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಅ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿವ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್?
Which is able to appear on all screens by depending on the size, as in mobile and PC,
Yes.
and like this
Yes.
smartphones.
Yes, right.
Must be compatible with all.
Yes. Is there any difference between responsive website and an interactive website? What is the difference? Wait. ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಮ್ಮ, ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀ ಬಾಯ್ಸೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿವ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಎಸ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗಂತೂ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ. ಅನು ಟೆಲ್.
Interaction is like when a user uses the app, so you must talk back to them like in the form of handshakes. So that's what the interaction in the web is. And
ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್
the user and the host body.
ಅದನ್ನು ವೆಬ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಯೂಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದು? ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ವೆಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಅನು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಅವರು ಓಕೆ, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಬರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.